Good evening. My name is David Pauta, and I was playing Activity 2. The topics the topics you're learning in the Power Up workshop. 1. Introduce yourself, asking questions, talking about routines, expressing preference, communication effectively in English. What activities were carried out during the session? Daily routines, daily present simple, frequently adverse. One or more examples explained with tutor. I usually power up to 69 AM. Está mal dicho. Hi, good evening. My name is David Tauta and I was playing Activity 2. Power Up Shop 1. The topics you're learning in Power Up Shop 1. Introducing yourself, asking questions, talking about routines, expressing preference, communicating effectively in English. What activities were carried out during the session? Daily routines, daily present simple, more frequency adverbs. One or more examples explaining bit to I usually wake up 6 a.m. I am always study online and sometimes ready in English. I don't like waking up early. Solo show some of the exercises done in class. You are running in the morning. She usually hit at 7 p.m. or never actually edifies the 3 a.m. I don't read storybooks in school. I like walking in the night and running in the morning. Explain why this topic is important for your learning. The topic covered in the first synchronous meeting are important because they are everyday action we perform daily, allowing us to learning about the different structures and idioms when referring to different actions. Thanks.